Hello, dear friends. I'm hopeful that you are having a very happy and healthy life, and so are the little babies in your life. Today's video is related to them because I've been sent some samples from Mother's Sparsh, which is a sister company of Dr. Juneja's Roop Mantra. If you know, I have done a video about that on my channel as well. So the company very thankfully decided to send me some samples which I could try out and tell you guys about them. These products were sent to me, but this is a non-sponsored video, so the opinions expressed are my honest opinions. You can rest assured. I'm very happy and excited to share this information with you that any three of you lucky people can win the Mother's Sparsh baby wipes for absolutely free by subscribing to my channel, going ahead and following the Facebook page of Mother's Sparsh, and then also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Then you'll be able to receive this free contest for anyone to participate in India. So the winners will be randomly chosen and you will be notified in the comment section of this video when this ends. I will probably announce it by 1st June. So you have that much time to participate till 1st of June 2017. This competition is going to be open. So you can participate and win it for yourself and for the cute babies in your lives. So first we will talk about this wipe itself. This packet has 80 wipes in it, which is costing 150 rupees, which is very economical if you compare it with those flipped up boxes that you get in the market. So this is very economical purchase, and the best part of it is that you can use it on the baby since birth because it's made out of water, aloe vera and vitamin E. Those are the main ingredients that are going into it. It doesn't has any chemicals in it. So what better thing that can we be looking for in a baby wipe, because sometimes the baby wipes can cause rashes if it's got some chemicals which doesn't suits the baby's skin. So water suits everyone, so hardly anybody having any problem with water. But someone out of a million might be allergic to aloe vera, because I had read it on internet. So use it as a patch test first before actually using the product. I cannot stop praising the product. I love it and like it and highly recommend it. I'm going to do a Hindi review on my Hindi channel, so I hope you will join me there as well. The link will be in the description box. It's got these amazing ingredients. List of ingredients are mentioned here. If you want, you can read it on this frame. So the next product is the massage oil, which has got this packaging, and this one has the lotion free with it. 100 ml of the product for 96 rupees, and you have this free lotion in this packaging. And let me show you the oil. That's the packaging for the oil, and this is the lal tail, which is usually used for giving the baby a baby massage. And this one also has some great ingredients. It's got til tail and this thing, Shankh Pushpi. You must have heard about Shankh Pushpi and Til Tail. So Til Tail and Shankh Pushpi are there in this massage oil, with the free baby lotion being added to this pack. So that baby lotion is worth 34 rupees. So that's very nice product. This is 100% Ayurvedic paraben free product for the baby. Then we have got this gripe water from them, and this gripe water is very special because this one doesn't has any alcohol or paraben, and there is no sodium bicarbonate, no baking soda, no charcoal, no glycerine and soya, no artificial flavors or colors. So this is very good for the baby because it's made of all these herbal ingredients. It's got soa tail, soft tail, ajwain, pudina, kapoor, cinnamon, that's dalchini. All these good ingredients are here for relieving the pain in babies, stomach pain. Gripe water is something that every mother who has a baby will know is so important for the digestive system of your babies, So this is it's a very good option because it doesn't has lots of chemicals in it. You can be worry free and give this to your babies, and they are not going to have any problems at all. The next thing that I have here is this baby soap, and this baby soap has almond oil and olive oil, which is very good for the skin of a baby and doesn't has lots of chemicals in it. It's worth just 48 rupees. So 48 rupees for 75 grams of the product. A very cute looking baby soap for your baby, and it is also paraben free and phthalates free. So lots of chemicals have been omitted. This is 100% Ayurvedic product from Mother's Sparsh. Then we have this body wash, baby body wash with olive and turmeric with no tears. So this is a beautiful body wash that you can use on your babies. This is costing 100 ml of the product for 85 rupees, and it's got olive and turmeric. What can be better than using this on the baby? And it also has haldi, tulsi, jaitun, neem, grit kumari, which is aloe vera, again in this product. The last product I have here is this baby lotion. It's costing 85 rupees for this 100 ml of the product, and this product is very soft. It's not very oily or greasy. It's very light and it's going to suit any baby's skin very nicely. And I have had this sample to use, and so this one I didn't open, so but I can tell you it's like very soft and it's a bit runny. It's not very thick consistency, but good smell, and it's got ingredients like olive oil and aloe vera again. So good ingredients going into the Ayurvedic product. Besides that, it has gehu, jaitun tail and grit kumari, obviously already mentioned, aloe vera and some base. So very good ingredients inside of it, nothing to worry about. So I hope you will try these products, and if you haven't tried that, and this is a good option because it's more economical than the products available in the market, and they are Ayurvedic and they are being made by an Indian company. What can be better than that? So I hope you will participate in the giveaway and tell me how you like them, the products. Until next time, I bless you with a very happy and healthy life along with your babies. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.